I just opened a Trump account for my son. I'm going to show you exactly the steps you need to take to open one up yourself. If you stick around to the end, I'll give you the reasons why I'm opening and how the account works. So let's jump in. First thing you're going to know is you can only open up the account on the app. All right, so I'm doing this on an iPhone. So you go to the App Store, go to Trump Accounts, install, let that load. I like doing things on my computer, so I'm not usually too fond of doing things on an app, but we'll see how this goes. Just letting this load. All right, let's open it up. So first thing you want to do is you want to click sign up over here. Okay, click continue. Email address. So put in your email address as the parent. Hit continue. For us, a verification code. All right, so the verification code is 797230. And you create a password. Another verification code. So at least we know it's secure, right? Hit continue. All right, verify my identity. Let's see. This is for me. All right, so this is asking for my social security as the parent, not the child you're opening the account for. So I had not submitted IRS form 4547. So I'm going to say, take me to the form. All right, so this looks like it'll complete the form for you, which is great. Put in your date of birth, your street address. And remember, this is all your information, not the child's. All right, so now it says enter your child's information. So entering that in here. So one thing is have their social security number available when you do this. So you'll have to wait till you get their social in the mail to start this process. Then their date of birth. Writing 2025 as date of birth is still crazy to me. Same address as you. The answer is yes. I authorize. $1,000 pilot program contribution. Children born between 2025 and 2028 can receive a contribution in their Trump account from the U.S. Treasury to be eligible. Yes, the child qualifies. That's probably the best benefit of this account is the $1,000 contribution from the government if they're born between 25 and 28. So reviewing my information and my son's information. And I have to sign for myself. Continue. Upload photos of your government issued ID so we can send it. Okay, so get started. So I have a United States ID, so you're gonna have to put in all right, so I have a driver's license. I have to allow all right, so I did my driver's license. Annoying. It's loading right now. Let's see what happens. Okay. That was unexpected, but alrighty. All right, so this says it can take a few minutes. So I'm going to skip ahead until it is done. All right, it says I'm all set. It says they submitted the form for me. They'll let me know when it's processed. It takes 1 to 3 business days. So done. A few taps away from. All right, so finish account setup. It's verifying information. Yes, I submitted the form. All right, turn on push notifications. Sure, why not? All right, so if you complete IRS form 45, 47 line, typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Okay, so I guess this is where I'm at for now. Some learning library in here. You can see you can learn all about the Trump accounts, how much you can contribute in the app. So pretty easy to set up, I would say. Not too difficult. So we'll see what happens when the accounts open up and when that $1,000 should hit. So that was the process for setting this up. Pretty seamless, pretty easy actually. You just have to download the app and follow the steps. I do like that you can fill out the IRS form through the app. It does save downloading a form and mailing it in, so that's pretty helpful. So it said 1 to 3 business days. We'll see how long that actually is. But the reason why I'm doing this for my 2 sons is the main driver for me is the $1,000 from the government. I mean, I wouldn't give up free money from anybody, especially for my kids. So definitely want to take that. It does grow tax deferred. There are some options to convert to a Roth IRA down the line, and the ability for other family members to make deposits is really nice. It's a good thing to give to people when they say, "Hey, what should I get for your kid?" Give them the link, deposit into this account, let it compound for them, tax deferred. But if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments, and please subscribe for more information just like this one. See you on the next one.